Giant defense aspirants. I hope you all are doing well at your ends and all are preparing well for their exams. So, yesterday Supreme Court has announced that girls are allowed in giving NDA exams and can get permanent commission into Indian Army, Air Force or Navy. So, we will see what is permanent commission and there is a also the service is of two types in armed forces. One is of permanent commission and one is of short service commission. These both are the commissions for officers. In short service commission, officers have the 10 years tenure to serve the nation, but in NDA the officers can serve their serve to the nation till the age of 60 years. Means they can serve the nation till the age of 60 years. So we'll see what is difference between NDA and CDS, because in through NDA we can get we will go through the permanent commission, and through CDS we will go through short service commission. So in CDS in 2007 this was officially announced that girls can apply for CDS and can give exams of CDS. But in NDA, recently this news has officially announced by our Supreme Court yesterday that we can give our girls can give NDA exams. So we are going to see this now. So in OTA, some candidates are thinking that their seats will be reduced and their cutoff will be high, and the number of competition level will also increase. So we will see what will happen, what was happen in the case of CDS, because in CDS this. So in 2007 the girls are allowed in the CDS. So we'll see how the situation was handled, and what was the seats and all the things what happened to the competition level, and the seats were decreased or increased. So in 2007 when the females are allowed to give CDS exam, then they were allotted different seats. Means they were not mixed in the man seats. The seats for the boys officers were same, and the cutoff was also same. The girls were given different cutoff and different marks, and different they were given different seats. So this was not mixed up all at all. So don't worry, in ND also this will be implemented, that boys will be given different seats and different cutoff, and girls will be given different seats and different cutoff. So the competition level will also not increase, but you have to be prepared. If you are confident and fully prepared, then you will definitely, if you are wasting your time in these silly things, then you will lose your confidence as well, and you will lose your concentration power. So try to not focus upon these things, just listen it, and start preparing for your exams. That's all for this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. We'll meet you with the one next video regarding the biography. That's all for today. Thanks.